How to make honey mustard glazed ham. Before we get started, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more delicious food videos. So let's get started. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Add the chopped onion, garlic cloves, apple cider vinegar, mustard, orange juice, and cloves to a large roasting pan, stirring to combine. Place the ham on the roasting rack over the liquid. Trim off tough outer skin. Then score the remaining fat in a crosshatch pattern. Cover the entire roasting rack with aluminum foil and bake for 1 hour. Remove the ham from the oven, and remove the foil. Baste the ham with the liquid. Then remove the rack from the roasting pan and set aside. Remove all the whole cloves from the remaining liquid in the pan. Pour the remaining liquid into a pot, along with the honey, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and brown sugar. Whisk to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then simmer until thick and reduced, about 10 minutes. Brush the glaze onto the ham, then transfer back to the roasting rack. Bake the ham for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the glaze is caramelized and the ham reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius. Slice the ham, serve and enjoy. Now you can easily make and enjoy your favorite foods to the next level with this simple recipe for honey mustard glazed ham. And that's for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you for watching.